Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing and presentation of the remarkable Marker Plus pen. I had mine with the Remarkable 2, but you can now buy this pen separately for the Remarkable 2 or for any other WACOM EMR technology device. The Marker Plus has a built-in eraser, is designed to deliver paper-like friction, and of course don't need to be charged or set up. It is designed at Remarkable in Norway and assembled in China, and it comes with 9 spare marker tips. Like all Remarkable products, we are on a premium packaging. And so here is the Marker Plus, a stylus with a very sleek and long design, rather heavy, made of a slightly soft plastic with a textured surface. Very soft to allow a pleasant grip. A part of the stylus is flat over the whole length to facilitate the grip and allow a more effective magnetic grip, it will be seen. At the end is the eraser function, a small button with a soft spring. Apparently both extremities are rather fragile elements of the stylus, which finally seems rather fragile on these points. But the whole is very elegant. And in fact, for me, a really nice stylus. It is also at the moment when I'm going to make this video one of the most expensive, almost $100. Also in the box card that has 2 functions: to stock your spare nibs and to help you change them on the stylus. A little demo of this accessory that has the exact size of a credit card, so you can store it in your portfolio. I show you how to use the notch. You slide until the narrow end, and when the nibs is fixed, it's enough to pull. To insert a new nib, just twist the card a little like this. Press a little on the hard surface and the new nibs is in place. Let's now talk about one of the big interests of the pen. It's its magnetic attachment to the tablet. Here I position it on the right side of the Remarkable 2 in its book folio, and as you can see that it also well, it works very well. It also fits very well just with the tablet alone, without the book folio. So for me, a real success, a very elegant and well-designed way to store your stylus. We also have the same system on the ONYX BOOX Note Air here, but not good enough as the stylus falls off very often and the magnetic attachment is not strong enough and in place. Of course, you can also use the Marker Plus with the ONYX, but the attachment will not be much better. The flip cover of the Note Air helps a bit to hold the stylus, but if you really want to use the magnetic attachment with the Note Air, I would recommend the Samsung S Pen Galaxy Tab S6 Lite here, which is much more suitable and holds very much better. Now some measures. The Marker Plus is a very heavy stylus with a weight of 19 grams. It is almost 3 times heavier than the lightest pens. with a length of just over 16 centimeters. It is also a large stylus, so it will suit people who like to have a very present stylus in their hands. The diameter of the body will vary between 8.69 and 9 millimeters, which is actually quite average. Now some visual elements of comparison with, for example, the STAEDTLER Noris Digital Jumbo, the LAMY Al-star Black EMR, and the Samsung S Pen Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and the HP Zbook X2, which is the tallest one, and the LAMY with his cap at the extremity. Some writing tests with the Remarkable 2 device. I will let you listen to the sound of the pencil nibs on the surface of the tablet. As promised by the Remarkable, a good feeling of friction and an experience very close to that of writing a pencil on paper. A very good line accuracy and a good management of the nib pressure and stylus tilt. The integrated eraser is quite handy and quite accurate. And it works independently of the chosen erasing tool. Comparison with the STAEDTLER Noris Digital Jumbo. Rather precise too, but a much more slippery writing sensation with the original nib. And you can hear much louder with rattling noises due to its rubber at the end that moves a little bit in its housing. Here's the LAMY, which slips a lot too, and which requires more pressure, but which makes it a very precise stylus. And finally the HP Zbook X2 with its white nib that I really like for a paper fill. Also with an eraser at the top. Now let's test this Marker Plus on the Note Air. a more slippery surface with less friction noise. The Marker Plus remains fairly accurate. The eraser function also works here. Depends on the tool chosen this time. Let's compare with the STAEDTLER Jumbo. Now the LAMY, still very precise. Again the Marker Plus. And then the HP Zbook X2, very precise too, as you can see. But here the most accurate and precise is the original BOOX Pen supplied with Note Air, with a very thin but harder nib. And that's all for that video. If you have liked, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you soon for the next one.